Moss, mold, and mildew stains don't just affect patios and walkways. They streak siding, discolor roofs, and build up on high, hard-to-reach areas. These stains spread quickly, and cleaning them can be difficult and dangerous without the right tools. But you can take back your home's exterior with Wet and Forget Outdoor Xtreme Reach. There's no scrubbing, no rinsing, and no bleach. It's the powerful yet gentle way to clean siding, roofs, and large or elevated outdoor surfaces. Before you start, make sure the surface is dry and free from loose debris like leaves or dirt. The Xtreme Reach hose end attaches directly to your garden hose for fast, effortless application. Before applying the cleaner, turn the dial to water and lightly spray nearby plants. Then switch the dial to on and spray your surfaces. After applying, let the surface slowly air dry. Do not rinse. If plants are accidentally sprayed, turn the dial to water and wet them thoroughly. Use the fan setting for wide, even coverage on large areas, or switch to the jet spray to reach up to 9 meters high. It's ideal for siding, roofs, soffits, gutters, and other elevated surfaces, plus patios, driveways, decks, and other large outdoor surfaces. The bleach-free formula means it's color safe with no guesswork and no second-step rinsing. Just wet it and forget it. No rinsing, scrubbing, or power washing needed. This powerhouse formula delivers 2 times the coverage and 2 times the concentration for tackling the toughest jobs, covering up to 185 square meters. Wet and Forget Outdoor works with the wind and rain over time to gently remove those unsightly green and black stains caused by moss, mold, and mildew. Green stains typically clean up within 1 to 2 weeks. Black stains and moss clean up within a few months, improving gradually with ongoing exposure to the elements. Apply Wet and Forget when the temperature is above 12 degrees and there's no rain in the forecast. Always apply to a dry surface and thoroughly saturate when spraying. Keep off sprayed surfaces until the product has fully dried. Wear eye protection, rubber gloves, and protective clothing. Once the surface is clean, a yearly maintenance spray helps reduce new stain buildup, so it's easy to maintain roofs, siding, and outdoor living areas. Trust your home's exterior to bleach-free cleaning. Just wet it and forget it.